Hi, this is Rashad Connor, the founder of Creative Wisdom. Today what we're going to be talking about is my opinion on Andrew Tate and just the idea of working hard. Now, first I'm going to get into the idea of working hard because many people say that you have to work hard to get what you want in life. And I believe that's true as it relates to building up your skills though. Now, working hard should be something that's temporary. You shouldn't always work hard. My idea on working hard is if it's not effective, it doesn't mean anything. You only should work hard to build up your body. That's it, and just your skills if you don't have it. Once you develop those skills, then you can easily leverage them so that you won't have to work as hard because now you know what you're doing. Now, let's just get into my opinion about Andrew Tate. I know I'm kind of just going with this. That's kind of fast. I'm just going to make this brief. But my opinion around Andrew Tate is that he's really needed in today's society, as this is the lost boys generation. You know, basically millennials, late millennials, and Generation Z. A lot of guys today are really just lost. But Andrew Tate is not really saying anything that any other manosphere content creator haven't really expounded on. But he's very charismatic and he's a very remarkable guy. I'm not gonna lie, I have to say he really is. Before then, I didn't really knew who Andrew Tate was. I thought he was kind of overrated because a lot of guys, he have a lot of fanboys. And to be honest, I don't call myself a fan of Andrew Tate. I do see him as someone worthy of respect because he have a lot of knowledge, he have a lot of experience, and he is a top tier man. But just to call myself call myself a fanboy or someone that would just kiss his ass, I can't do that. You know, I'd rather be a trendsetter than a trend follower. That's just me, you know. Andrew Tate to me is he the leader of the Red Pill Revolution? Nah. It was MGTOW, those guys, and some Red Pill guys such as Rollo Tomasi. I think he said Roosh V. Somebody, the pioneers of the Red Pill. They're really the leaders of the Red Pill Revolution. Now, when will the Red Pill Revolution stop? I don't really know. Until men change their minds about themselves and just about the dating landscape interrelating with women. So that's all I really wanted to get into today, and I see you guys next time.